how to read common and major reversal patterns that you guys are probably missing because you guys are probably new to trading and technical analysis. But if you guys actually train your eyes to see these patterns, they're much more powerful because they give a lower risk setup rather than chasing pumping green candles on the day of. I'm going to talk about one of those major patterns with you because it's going to be the most common one you'll see. And this video is going to be on TARS AI, the Thai USD T token, which has that pattern right now. So let's take a look into what TARS AI could be doing. Could a major move be coming for this market? Let's take a look into the 3-day time frame. Now, I want to point out this pattern because I have just spotted it. I did miss it on the last video. Now, on the 3-day time frame here, there is a falling wedge pattern, which is probably the most common pattern you guys will see. On the flip side, of course, there's going to be the rising wedge, but let's talk about the falling wedge first. Falling wedge is typically very common because you'll see it after an extensive downtrend on that time frame. In this case, you're going to see it on the 3-day time frame for TARS AI. And after this downtrend here, okay, what this pattern is usually telling you is that while the pattern is getting tighter and tighter, the bears are running out of strength, okay, because otherwise it would push the price action down parabolically, right? But in this case, it is running out of strength for the falling wedge, and it usually indicates a reversal is coming up, okay? In this case, if the price action actually breaks out by this point here, the price target for TARS AI is going to be just right underneath 14 cents here for TARS AI. So that's basically what I'm seeing. Of course, price targets are estimates only, right? It could be more, it could be less. And altcoins are going to depend on Bitcoin. Okay, if Bitcoin pumps, that's good for the altcoins. However, if Bitcoin starts dumping and you see a bullish setup on the altcoins, chances are that bullish setup is not going to be worth much. Okay, it's going to follow Bitcoin. Okay, so that's one thing to be considering. Of course, these are my opinions and speculations only, personally. None of which what I'm saying here is financial advice. You got to do your own due diligence. Of course, go and verify and research these technical analysis patterns so you guys will actually have that printed in your head, right? And that's basically what I'm seeing for TARS AI. I don't see a particular pattern that's happening on a smaller time frame. There could be a falling wedge pattern that could be developing on a 4-hour time frame, but I think it's too soon to say. Okay, so this is basically my very quick update on what's going on in this market. I also want to bring to your attention that there are going to be some resistances right above the price action here, okay, including the daily 21 SMA, which is currently about 9.4, 9.5 cents range. Daily 50 SMA, the gray line here, is going to be about just right at about 10 cents here. So moving averages above the price action is going to be a resistance. 3-day time frame. 3-day 21 SMA, currently at about just right at about 10 cents here, the blue line. So this is basically what I'm seeing for TARS AI. I am looking, this is probably a market I will look for opportunities for a scalp with leverage. That's just purely what I'm doing personally. I don't recommend you guys trade leverage unless you guys have had some good experiences trading spots. I am long on quite a bit of the markets here, the crypto markets, including Bitcoin, the bigger altcoins, and quite a bit of smaller altcoins. So that's basically my stance on what's going on in this crypto markets here. If you guys want to continue seeing TARS AI, make sure to drop a like, comment, and subscribe, letting me know you guys want to see more of this. And if enough of you guys want to see it, I would bring you guys an additional updates. Or any other altcoins in the market, any coin in the market, drop a request. I'll pick one request to do for you guys on a daily basis. Have a good one, and I'll see you guys on the next one.